How to install one of the black and white printers in the office here. Actually, I'm going to make this video a bit longer and I'm going to show you how to add the black and white one and the color one. First thing you do is go to System Preferences. If it's not allowing you to see it, you just go to the Apple symbol and hit System Preferences. When that opens up, you hit Add Printer, click on the plus sign. Ignore this altogether. Even if you see a printer in here, do not bother installing it. You go to the IP, you type 192.168.10.9, and that allows you to add the big black and white one, the 8000. Always go to generic PCL and then name it Ricoh Black and White Mail Room Halifax. And when you hit add, sometimes it fails. This might have to be changed from LPD to IPP, so we're going to see. Depends on the version of Apple you have. And in this case here it worked. If it didn't, you just switch it from one to the other. Now, adding the color one's a little bit more involved, but not very, very difficult. You simply Google Ricoh 6502 driver. And then you download this guy. You choose the operating system you have. In this case, it's one of those. To find out which version you have, you just click Apple, About Mac. We have El Capitan, so we get El Capitan. It's going to save it in our downloads folder, that's fine. Once it saves it, we go and run it. And then run the setup. You need to know the computer's password to finish this process part up. Now, after you're done, you come back here, you add plus. The IP for this one is 192.168.10.15. And then you go down here, select software and type 6502 so you can find it quickly. And then you call it Ricoh Color. I never could spell Ricoh from the first time properly. Then you hit add. After it adds it, to test it, you come here, try to print, and this has to be done. So you have to choose Ricoh Color or whatever you named it. Go to job log, put in your code. I think this is mine, I'm not 100% sure. And then you hit save this current preset as the color printing preset. And you hit OK, and then you hit print, and everything should work. To test to see if it printed, there's a couple of ways. You can obviously walk up to the printer. The other way is to actually go to the IP of the printer itself, and then go here, right there, go to job, and job history, and you can see it says processing, and that means it's printing. If I hit refresh, you'll see that it says print complete. And that's how you add the black and white printer and the color printer. There's also a third printer we should add for people, and it's the one in the hallway. The IP for that one is 192.168.10.240. And again, you just choose generic PCL, call it Ricoh hallway, and hit add. And that's that. That's how you add all three printers in the office on a Mac.